like this in nature just make it so awesome. Okay, I know this is poor video quality. It's getting lighter outside, but it's pretty dark here in my blind. And just had a beautiful black bear come out. And I didn't get any still photos, but I did get a little bit of video. The quality is not going to be that great, but I still want to share that experience with you. This is why I do what I do, and why other wildlife photographers do what they do, because these experiences with nature are really second to none. Well, just had some white-tailed deer come up, and they were grazing in the field, and my ISO was jacked up pretty high. I think it was up to 3200, and I was shooting at like 1/40th of a second. So I have no idea what those photos are going to look like. Probably not too good, but you never know. But I got some video, and wow, black bear, then some white-tailed deer. Now all I need is some birds, and we've had some turkeys coming through here. Be nice to see one of those. And yesterday we had a pileated woodpecker on a log out in the field, and I'm set up right in front of it, and he tore that thing up. I didn't realize they could chuck wood so well. They're better than woodchucks. That wasn't funny. But anyway, I was kind of hoping he would come back and visit that log this morning. It is raining, but so the light is still pretty dismal, but it still should brighten up a little bit in spite of the rain. It's still very early, and just hope to see something else. And when the light gets better, maybe get some good shots. But it's already been a great morning. I mean, beautiful black bear, beautiful white-tailed deer, and just a great morning. Also, my white-tailed deer have come back, and the light's a little better, so hopefully I can get a better shot. Wow, what a morning. Started off with a bear. I got some video, no shots, it was too dark. The white-tailed deer came out, then they went away, and no birds came to visit my little perch here in front of me, but the deer came back out in better light, so I believe those shots turned out much better, and just a great morning. And I really appreciate you coming along. I appreciate your support. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. And until next time, take care.